Hello everyone, this is Richard and Connor from Creative Cascades. The following video you're about to see is of a project we shot in the autumn of 2022.
As you can see, it's quite a large waterfall to which we've added a wetland filter at the very top. That's the wetland filter there, which is a natural filtering system which we've added to this natural pond. You can see the water's very green. Now, we can't guarantee all that greenness is going to go, but the client will certainly end up with much better water quality.
So, what you're seeing on screen here is what we like to call the intake bay. Solids, such as leaves and other matter, accumulate all into one place, so the clients can then net them out as and when they require.
So, as with most projects, the client had a set budget that we were working to. You know, in an ideal world, you'd have even bigger wetland filter to really get on top of things, but you know, something's certainly a lot better than nothing. And as I say, there will be a lot less maintenance going forward. So, anything else to say, Con?
I'd say that's it. Let the people enjoy the video. So yeah, sit back and relax, and we'll hopefully speak to you guys soon. Cheers.